Hello, everybody, and welcome. I'm going to dive right in. This is going to be a short video. There is just some things I want to share with you guys, and I want to invite you to a Facebook group because I am going to do something I've never done before, and that is I'm going to do a buy one, get one free sale. So this is going to go to YouTube right away. As soon as I'm done here, I'm going to download it, then I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and then I'm going to also send it out in an email. And this is the way it's going to work. So do you guys see all of this retired product? So I have punches. These are all dies. These are single stamp sets. There's some wooden sets here. And then down here is a whole bunch of bundles. So these are like stamp sets that have dies that go with them. So this is Rooted in Nature. It has the dies and it has the stamp set. So this is what I'm going to do. So I have all of that. I have a couple that have punches. And then I also have a few things down here. I have these wooden blocks that I was given a while ago and the kids used them. And so I have these as well. These are not Stampin' Up. These are just other ones. But there's a lot of sets in here that are brand new. Like this one is brand new. And if you guys are familiar, I sell my retired stuff often, and I usually just go on here and sell it. This is brand new. This is $1 million set. It was Janet Wakeland's set. So what I'm going to do is price all of this stuff. And then in the Facebook group, you have to join the Facebook group. So if you tap on the description of this live, or you are on YouTube and you look in the YouTube description box below, there is a link to a Facebook group. You're going to join that Facebook group, and then I'm going to do the BOGO, buy one, get one free. I'm going to pop in and do several of them. So I'm going to do one tomorrow, like mid-morning, afternoon, and I'm going to go on. I will show you everything. Everything will be priced and numbered. And then what you will do is you'll say, I want number 5 and I want number 8. And then whatever that total is, you're going to go to Stampin' Up. You're going to place an order with a special host code, and then you will get my retired stuff for free. So say you pick out $50 worth of product and then you go spend $50 with Stampin' Up, then I am going to send you the retired stuff. So I will invoice you for shipping. So there's several things I can get in a package for around $8. So I will invoice you for the shipping. You'll pay for shipping. And then every single person who places an order, if your order is $50 or more, you get a celebration item because this is the end of celebration. I will also be including retired packs of designer paper. So everybody will get a couple of these. I always try to make sure that like you don't get 2 of the same packs. And then also you will get a pack of handmade cards that are my handmade cards. I just went through and cleaned out my cards because I always have so many of them. So I think I have 10 to a pack. So as long as those will be until they run out. So I have several packs of 10 packs of handmade cards that you'll get in your packet. Plus you'll get my favorite card kit for the month. So that is going to be the buy one, get one. I am going to post this, join that Facebook group. And then if you're on YouTube, join the Facebook group. And then over the next week and a half, I'm going to do several of these. I'm going to pop in and do the, buy one, get one free. And then I will evaluate and see what I have left at the end. And then whatever I have left at the end, I may just sell. But if I do, I will be selling it for like normal retail price. because this sell that I'm doing right now is to help me reach the incentive trip goal. So I am currently $2,500 away from reaching that goal. So selling all of this stuff is going to be to help me reach that goal. So at the end of the week and a half or so, if I have any of this stuff left, then I will sell it for regular retail price. And then I will just place a order for cardstock and giveaway stuff. And I'll place an order to help me get the rest of the way. So again, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment here on Facebook, or you can email me, or you can ask in the Facebook group once I get you into that group. So the first sell will be tomorrow, and I will post in the group and here on my page what times I will be going. And then I'll also try to post on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for popping in, hanging out. I'm going to go over here and show you the bundles again, and I'll be showing everything up close. So in the Facebook group, I will do a video and I will show you everything, and everything will be numbered and priced. And so these are all the bundles I have. So thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group.